Hi, okay. With me, Dior, I will do this unboxing. Okay, I'm actually really like earphone. Earphone is actually play a big part of my life, and I'm also a singer, so I'm also a music producer. So earphone is very important for me, and also very essential. So previously I think I bought like more than 100 earphones. So this is I would say this is my first time to buy this. I don't know what is it called. I forgot. So you know, for the professional who on the stage, they will use this, and then you can clip it, and then you can change the wire into the Bluetooth also. So okay, so I just bought this from Lazada. It's called ZSN Pro, which were the normal price. I would say like 100 RM something, like 100 something, but I got it very cheap. I forgot the price, but I will give you the link later on. So let's say this Kazakh is very popular for this one. It's something like if you bought like Shure or Sennheiser, yeah, something like this, but I never tried, so this is my first time. So wish me luck. Kazakh ZSN Pro. And oh yeah, I get a very good I read a very good very good feedback for those who bought this. Okay, Kazakh ZSN Pro specification, weight, okay, doesn't matter. Plug type 3.5, pin type, frequency, impedance, sensitivity. I forgot the driver. The driver. Okay, this is with mic and also purple. Okay, and yeah, I forgot the mic, sorry, the driver size, but I will give you the details later on below. Okay, yay! Oh my god. Oh my god, look at this. It's KZZ, okay, hybrid technology earphone, classic upgrade. Okay, the best thing is when you look at this, it's like you know, it's metal, and people know that, oh, expensive. So the box also tells that it's expensive. If you buy like a Shure or Sennheiser, this one will cost you like what, 1000 something RM. Okay, okay, let's see. Right. Okay, what we have here. Ding, ding, ding. Okay, let's open this up. Sorry about my nail, I didn't do it, and I just cook daging goreng kunyit, so it's like very yellow, and so sorry. I should do my nail before I do this, but I want it fast. Okay, and this ear plug. Okay, how many? 1, 2. Okay, it's a normal ear plug, which is not like if you buy like Sennheiser or the Shure, it will like a type of like a foam, like very thick one, but this is actually like a normal one. 1, 2, 3 size, small, medium, and large. Okay, let's put it aside. Yeah, and this is the connector. You see, it's a very fine wire. What does it say here? Okay, is that okay? And then this one is just for play music, and also play pals, and also to answer a call. And this is the connector, and it came with this like a professional look, like you just hang it on your ear, and this one to plug in. So your side. Okay, wait a moment. Let's see this. User guide, save a handphone, adjust sensitivity, and for ear. Okay, all right. Time, sound pressure, plug choice, silicone case, use and see wire microphone, play pals on. Oh, okay. Oh, can forward also. Previous next with one click. Wow. Hang up on string, headphone knowledge science, multiplayer, install. See that? Okay, so this is my first time. Let's install it. I'm very cheap with mine, so sorry. Oh my god. Okay, how to open it? Takut. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So this. Okay. Supposed to be like this. Let's see, where is it? Point the wire to the plug and push it until it fits perfectly. Oh, okay. The butt, this hand Pro Classic upgrade. I bought this the purple version and also silver. See, it looks nice, right? And put it on your ear. I will do the review of this because I don't want to use it now because I have other things to do. So I will do the review of the earphone. Well, not only this, but I will gather up a few of the earphones, which is I think about like the same pattern like this. Yeah, I will do another video. Then I will guide you how's the sound and everything. Sorry for the nail. How's the sound? So I hope that it's nice. Okay, and I will do a videos of all of my earphones, which is what is my recommendation of an earphone and what good with that and everything. Okay, so yeah, so I'm glad to buy this premium Zen Pro, which is in Lazada, which I get it for very cheap. If I'm not mistaken, the normal price is like 100 RM something, but I get it like maybe below 50 ringgit something. I forgot, but I will give you the link. So for warranty rules. Damage cost, whatever. I never know about this warranty card. Is it valid? Because it's in China. Doesn't matter. Okay, so that's it for me for this ZSN Pro. Bye.